Hello, this is Daniel with DirectorySubmissionReview.com, and I am pleased to have you join us today for a complete review of Directory Dominator. This is part one of a two-part series. In part one, we'll be going through giving you an overview and instruction on how you use this particular piece of software, and in part two, we'll go over the strengths and weaknesses of Directory Dominator. With that, let's get started. First thing we'll look at is up at the top menu. You can see there are very few options. Very hard to get confused with this particular software. It's very simple to use. Here on the main page on the left side, which takes up a big portion of the screen, we can see a preview of the particular directory that we are currently submitting to. And then on the right side, we have a list of available directories and their page ranks, which is always a nice thing to be able to see. Now let's go over how you would go about creating a profile and submitting your website to these directories. First thing you want to do is click Settings, then click Manage Profiles. We'll create a new profile. For this, I'll be using a test website. So first thing you want to do is name your profile. I like to name it something pretty similar to what the actual website is named. Enter your URL. Link title. So this is the particular keyword that you are targeting and that you want to be linking to your website. It's extremely important that you choose a good keyword that will bring traffic to your website. We'll go ahead and do cheesecake recipes. Site description. Cheesecake recipes galore. You usually will want to write a little bit more than that. Typically between 250 and 300 words is ideal. Then enter your keywords. Email. I like to use a spam email box so I'm not flooded with email from these directories and from robots going through, spidering the web and pulling up random emails to spam. Then you want to enter your name, and hit OK. With that, we'll hit close, and let's use add site, which is a PageRank 4 directory, as an example. So the first thing you want to do is choose your pricing. We'll go ahead and do regular links. And Directory Dominator does a really nice job of going through and auto-filling these forms with our profile information. So the first thing it's gone through and filled in was our title, URL, description, our name, email. What we need to do is choose the category. Reciprocal link URL. This is if you wish to provide a link back to the directory from your own website. We won't be doing that today. Then you want to enter the CAPTCHA code and hit continue. There we go. Link submitted and awaiting approval. Submit another link. So what you want to do at this point is go through and hit every directory available here on the right and just keep submitting your website. It's a bit of a hassle where you need to go through and continuously enter your information and submit to these different directories. Thank you for joining us for part one of a two-part series review of Directory Dominator. Please join us for part two, where we will be going through and looking at the strengths and weaknesses of Directory Dominator. Thank you.